Drones are helping first responders to save lives in rural Alabama. Blount County uses drones to help with a variety of emergencies.
We thought the best way to be able to get those critical eyes where we needed them during emergency situations was to purchase a drone.
For help, Blount County turned to SkyFire, a consultant and reseller of drones focusing on public safety.
And our big selling point is that we are a one-stop shop. So we do turnkey programs where you come to us with no knowledge and we can get you set up with the right equipment, all the training, all the FAA authorizations that you need.
Former CNN producer and EMT Matt Sloan established SkyFire after conducting a program for first responders on how CNN uses drones to cover news stories. He leaned on pilot Ben Kroll, a former Cirrus instructor for the aviation side of things, realizing that safety is just as important for UAS as it is for manned aircraft.
We like to impress upon them how this is like flying an aircraft and to apply some of those things that we learn in manned aviation.
The drones can be equipped with a variety of cameras and other payloads like life rafts. Rural communities especially benefit, using drones for missions like search and rescue, fire safety, and more.
It's a force multiplier. And so, when Caleb goes out and responds to a call, or one of these departments that work with Caleb go out and respond to a call, there may only be 2 or 3 people there initially. And being able to put the drone up in the air can quickly give them information and intelligence that they wouldn't be able to get that quickly.
Drones have proven their value as a life-saving tool in Blount County and communities like it across the country.
We get really, really excited, and I think it hits home for us when, we see a news story and it's one of our clients who they took the drone out last night and they found a missing person. The communities have been improved, lives have been saved from the incorporation of this technology.
Julie Walker, AOPA Live.